In this video, we will practice adding and subtracting fractions. First, we have number 1. And in this problem, we have 3 over 4 plus 2 over 3. To solve this problem, we use the formula a over b plus c over d is equals to cross multiply a to d, ad plus bc. And for the denominator, just multiply b and d. This problem, our a is 3, our b is 4, c is equals to 2, and d is equals to 3. So to solve this problem, we cross multiply a and d. 3 times 3 plus 4 times 2. And for the denominator, just multiply 4 to 3. 4 times 3. Now, let's perform the multiplication. 3 times 3, we obtain 9. Plus 4 times 2 is 8. For the denominator, 4 times 3 is equals to 12. Next step is, let's add the numerators. 9 plus 8 is equals to 17. Let's copy the denominator. And this is our final answer. For number 2, 7 over 10 minus 3 over 5. In this case, we just use the same method, but this time, we minus our numerators. Let's cross multiply 7 over 5. 7 times 5 minus 3 times 10. For the denominator, 10 times 5. Remember that we need to multiply first the a and d. Remember that. And now let's simplify our answer. 7 times 5, we get 35 minus 3 times 10, 30. All over 10 times 5 is equals to 50. 35 minus 30 is equals to 5 over 50. In this case, we can simplify our fraction. Let's divide it both by 5, and our final answer is 1 over 10. Next, for number 3, 5 over 8 plus 2 over 5. Let's cross multiply 5 times 5 plus 8 times 2. For the denominator, we have 8 times 5. Let's perform the multiplication. 5 times 5, we have 25, plus 8 times 2, we have 16. For the denominator, 8 times 5 is equals to 40. Let's add the numerators. 25 plus 16, our answer is 41. And this is our final answer. For number 4, we have 11 over 12 minus 5 over 8. Always remember, if we have two fractions, a over b, and it's either plus or minus c over d. When cross multiplying, we need to multiply first a to d plus or minus b to c. So in this problem, let's cross multiply 11 times 8 minus 12 times 5 all over 12 times 8. Let's perform the multiplication. 11 times 8 is equals to 88 minus 12 times 5 is equals to 60 all over 12 times 8 is equals to 96. Then we minus the numerators. We obtain 28 over 96. In this case, we can simplify the fraction. So in this case, we divide both by 4. And our final answer is 7 over 24. And this is our final answer. And last, number 5. We have 9 over 14 plus 3 over 7. Same method, multiply 9 to 7. 9 times 7 plus, because we are adding them, 14 times 3 all over 14 times 7. Let's perform the multiplication. 9 times 7 is equals to 63 plus 14 times 3 is equals to 42 all over, for the denominator, 14 times 7 is equals to 98. Let's add the numerators. 63 plus 42 is equals to 105. Let us simplify our final answer. In this case, we divide both by 7 to obtain our final answer of 15 over 98 divided by 7 is equals to 14. And this is our final answer. For the sake of practice, I want you to take a screenshot in these 5 example problems and try to solve them.